My face, this is what happens when, you know what, this is going to be kind of hard. I usually do this in the shower. It's like lizard scales. I usually do this in the shower. Ow. Because I usually do this in the shower because this shit hurts. And look, my face is red. I left it on too long. Oh, Zach is ready. Okay. Gotcha. We're about to show y'all how to crack. Ooh, look, I got it.
Tonight I celebrate my love for you and hope that deep inside.
Yes? Oh my god, it was me the whole time. I'm an idiot.
Free ship.
Okay. Can you say something? Yes! I fixed it. Okay. Good. No more echo.
Alright, so I'm just gonna... So, everyone, there isn't like an 8-second delay, so if I end up talking over her, I'm real sorry.
I'm watching. I'm learning now.
Alright, so... Okay. So, I'm going through to see if I have any files that I can... I'm hearing myself. I'm gonna have to turn this down. Sorry, I quit speaking because I heard myself. So, this is how this stuff works. Basically, you can take a file and another file and put them together in the same way that you would zip a file in like a .zip or like a RAR file. Sometimes you're able to... Let's see if I can find one. I'm looking. Maybe... See, I'm not going to make one. I'm just going to use something I already have.
Okay.
So, for example, there's a steg1. You can run something on strings on it. And what strings does is it looks for any string information. For example, is there anything in here I can use? Let's just do strings on steg.txt, right? Whoa, okay, so we ran strings on it, and this is all the strings it could find.
Okay.
This is a freaking mess. But let me make something really quick. So let's do touch. We're gonna make a file called testing.txt, and let's edit it with them. Hello. Can I just... Why are you acting this way? What do you want from me? Alright, I broke it. Okay, so we made a file just now called testing.txt. So if we use cat, we can read that easy, right? Mm-hmm. Testing.txt says hello. So we know that's there. The file's there with hello inside of it. Now if we run strings on it, let's see. Sweet, so you get the same thing. So the question is like, what's the difference? Well, if you were to cat out something like a picture, let's just do cat, and we're gonna push out steg1.jpg. Okay, you see all these question marks? That's it, like not able to give like the binary data a character. So that's why we run strings, to get rid of all of this ugly, right? So again, get on the bottom. This is so weird because as I'm talking, I'm hearing me talk like 5 seconds ago. I can do this though. All right, so what was the file called? Um, oh yeah, so we were doing TXT or we did JPEG, either one. If we run strings on it, so this is the strings. Now, a lot of this is going to be nonsensical, but you can go through this and sometimes you can find like the names of the files or even the contents of the files. So like if you're doing a forensics investigation, this is one of the first steps. Now, there's some other tools you can use. Let me move this down. So I'm going to run a script or a program called file on Steg. And what it's going to do is it's going to check the file itself to see what the file type is. And you see that it says that it's a JPEG. That's cool. Well, in some cases, it will say more than one thing. Like, what I really need is, I need that JPEG that you just made. Is there any way to, like, upload it and send it to me? Or, like, email it to me?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? You can't hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, good. Let's see. The JPEG one, is that the one you want? Okay. Okay, let me send that one.
I'm just gonna type, so it's faster.
Yes, send me.
Nobody blow up my email, please.
Don't exploit Zack, guys.
I'm also gonna look up some notes while you do that. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So clear, ls. Let's use binwalk on Steg.
Oh, God.
Okay. Sweet.
Oh, what happened? Okay, I'm sending the picture right now.
Sorry about the delay, guys. For future co-streaming, we should definitely figure out how to make it not laggy.
I know, but we did good by getting it up. So,
Okay.
Oh, here it is. Okay, select it. And me, TJ, right? Email dot vccs.edu. All right. Just sent it.
Yagami, also really cool name. Yes, I'm using something very similar to Kali. This is not Kali.
Oh my God.
This is Parrot OS. It has the same tools and some extra tools, I think it's based off of a Debian, but it's beautiful. Yeah,